All right, come enjoy a beach day with me. Right now, we're driving there, me and my mom. There was like little to no parking spots, so it was very hard to find parking, but we eventually found a spot. Right here, I'm just journaling and just feeling the sun on my skin. I was very, very happy because I was just being in the present moment. I changed the spot I was sitting 3 different times because I wanted to get closer to the water, but it was so packed. There was like little to no spaces. I decided to take some pictures because I look so pretty. I was on my way to go home now after a successful day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.